Hi there, I'm Marek from Banana Panda. I have a question. Is your 2-year-old a careful observer of the world? At this age, kids are becoming increasingly independent, perfecting the art of walking and even beginning to run, climb, and jump. Your child is systematically expanding their vocabulary and beginning to create sentences with 2 or 3 words. He or she is increasingly interested in contact with peers. Your child learns by observing and remembering the behaviors, gestures, and words of others. That is why a well-functioning memory and training attention and concentration are so important for his or her proper development. As you play, remember a few simple tips for making playtime an educational adventure. Make sure your child is listening and looking at whatever you are talking about. If a game involves placing pieces side by side, arrange them from left to right. In this way, your child learns the proper direction for task execution. Playtime should first and foremost be fun. If your child is tired or discouraged, continue your game another day. Okay, let's get right to our supersized memory game, Wild Animals. I'm going to show you a few ways how to spend a really good time with your kid. Maybe we can start with something that develops concentration and listening skills. Prepare a basket or box. Lay out one set of cards in front of your child. Ask your child to listen carefully as you tell a simple story featuring the names of the animals. Ask your child to find a card for each animal as you name them and place the card into the basket. How about playing with Who Went for a Walk game? Lay out 3 cards in front of your child. Ask your child to memorize the pictures and then close their eyes. You can ask a younger child to turn around so they can't see the pictures. Hide one of the cards and ask, which animal went for a walk? After opening their eyes, your child should look at the pictures and answer the question. If your child doesn't remember, you can give them hints about what the missing animals look like. You can also gradually increase the number of pictures. Time for some active fun. Imitate with your child the sounds of zebras' hooves. Jump like monkeys or wave your arms like an elephant's trunk. Move slowly like a real sloth. This will support the development of imitation of movement and large motor skills. Don't forget to play a classic memory game. It's fun too. Start by laying out the cards with the pictures facing down. Mix them up. Explain to your child that the game involves finding the 2 identical pictures. You can start with a smaller number of pairs and gradually increase the number of cards in play. You can also give a beginner player more chances to make a match. Supersized memory game Wild Animals provides creative fun and many ways to play. Use one of our suggestions or let your imaginations run wild and think up your own games.